Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Now in this video today I'll be giving you the 4 principles that will help you become a better stock market investor. So guys, it's very important that as you are investing in the stock market, you ground yourself with certain principles, because guys, I can tell you for sure, without principles you will definitely miss so many opportunities in the stock market. Sometimes you'll find yourself selling your shares too early and soon to realize that the shares you just sold grew by 30 to 50% in the next few months. So it's very important, guys, to set the ground rules when you are investing in the stock market, especially now in these tough times, because you need to be cautious when investing in the stock market. You don't want to invest for a mere fact that you see other people investing in a company, but you want to go out there and apply your principles and analyze the companies that you want to buy, and then invest in that company. That will help you in so many ways. Now, without a waste of time, let us drive straight into these principles. Principle number 1, guys, that I believe that it can take you to the next level, or it can make you succeed in your stock market investing journey, is diversifying your portfolio. Now guys, I know this is not the first time you hear about this word diversify, as it is one of the most important principles that will make you succeed in your stock market investing journey. You don't want to put all your hard-earned lump sum money into one company and soon to realize that that company just went down by 30 to 50% or even more. It's like what they say, never put your eggs into one basket. Same with the stock market, guys. Never invest or put all your money into one company, because there are certain things that can come out and hit that company, or there are certain news that can come out and hit certain industries. So it's very important for you to go out there and diversify your portfolio. Invest in various industries. Don't just put your money into one industry. Like for example, don't just put your money into traveling and leisure industry, because there are certain news or certain things that will come and impact a certain industry, which will then mean that if you had put all your money in that industry, you are simply doomed. So it's important for you guys to make sure that you are going out there and diversifying your portfolio. Now, principle number 2, buy shares at discounted price. So guys, it's extremely important that before you buy shares in a company, you must make sure that you are buying that company cheap, or you are buying that company at a discounted share price. I mean, you don't want to buy an overvalued company, guys. Believe you me, because that will then mean that, guys, chances of you making good returns out of that company will be very slim. You don't want to do that. So it's very important that you buy shares in a company at a discounted price, guys. Principle number 3, and I believe that this is one of the most important principles that you should definitely consider when investing in the stock market. Guys, invest in companies you know. Guys, before you invest in a company, it's very important that you understand what a company does and how it makes or generates money. It's very important for you to know that, because guys, once you know what a company does, then it's easier, or it simplifies your investing journey. You don't want to invest because you hear other people saying invest in this company, but you should make sure that before you put your money into a company, no matter who told you to invest in that company, you know what that company does and how it generates money. Because once you know what that company does and how it makes money, you become confident when investing in companies in the stock market. So it's very important, guys, for you to know and understand what a company does and how it generates money. It's very important for you guys to know that. Now, the last principle, which is principle number 4, is Guys, do not worry about the day-to-day movement in the stock market. Guys, this is important, and I think I should stress the point that during these tough times that we are in, the market is very volatile. There are so many ups and downs happening in many companies in the stock market. So guys, don't panic. When you see this, don't panic. Just take a chill pill. As long as you did an analysis that confirmed that the company you invested in has got a good future ahead, you should not panic. You should not be worried about the day-to-day movement. You should not worry about the volatility in the stock market on a day-to-day basis. And guys, remember, I always stress the point that you need to strive to become a long-term investor and not a short-term investor. And with that said, if you are a long-term investor, then you should not be worried about the minor swings that you see in the stock market, or you should not be worried about the volatility that you see in the market, because remember, you invested in that company, or you are investing in that company for a longer term. So it's important for you to ignore all those minor swings and rather focus on learning the potential growth of your company over a longer term. So guys, it's very, very important. I know some of these principles, I've highlighted them before in some of my previous videos, but the reason I just thought I should revisit some of those principles is simply because many of you guys have been asking me specifically that how should you invest during these tough times? What are the best ways for one to invest in these tough times? So I hope that this video gave you as much information as possible. And hey, if you have more further questions, feel free to comment below. Ask me any question that you might have in mind. Otherwise, guys, if it's your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends or colleagues. Otherwise, that's all from me, and see you in my next video. Thank you very much, and God bless.